Gandang araw Pilipinas, nandito tayo ngayon sa Highwoods at tayo magbablog tayo ngayon dito. Ngayon magpipicture lang kami, mag photoshoots, mga places or somewhere kung saan magustuhan namin. Tara, samahan nyo kami. Para totoo oh. Kasama ko si Jarel, yung anak ko. Nagano kami, picture kami dito. Dito mo sa ngayon, dito kami sa Highwoods. Yan oh, kita niyo yung lugar. Mataas. So, yan. Mamaya lalabas kami, pupunta naman kami doon sa bandang kalsada or somewhere. Ha? Huh? Ano yan? You captured something?
I don't know. Look at that.
An insect or what?
It's furry. You see, it's furry.
Furry? Oh, go.
Look!
Invento ka eh. Okay, tingnan natin mamaya. Ganda ng panahon ngayon, oh. Sikat ang araw.
I wanna picture this.
Photographer na yung anak ko. Oh, may nakita na naman siya. Tagal. So tumawid lang kami dito. Tumawid lang kami sa Highwoods ngayon. So palabas na kami. Yan. Mga residential area na. What? What's that?
Wait. At least it's just really powerful.
We are now here outside the Highwoods and nasa mga residential area na kami. Yan. In fairness, medyo magaganda yung mga bahay dito. You know this place?
Yeah.
Familiar?
I already know who this place is.
Yan. Ito, residential pa rin to. May madadaanan tayong maliit na playground. Dito naglalaro si Jarel dati. Minsan-minsan. Mga slides dito. Ferris wheel, duyan. Ayan. Hanggang bata pa din. Gusto pa rin niya maglaro. Binitawan niya na yung camera. Kanina ayaw niya bitawan yung camera. Maglalaro daw siya. They will prepare you to pass the exam before you go to year 7. Dito kasi ngayon sa is possible na maging next school ni Jarel. Kung naging year 7 na siya.
Is it over there?
Yeah, doon. Straight ahead. Like Minecraft. Wow. Ang ganda ng bulaklak, oh. Yeah. Anak ko, gusto niya na magpipicture siya, oh. Masaya. Come on. Ito kami sa labas ng school ng Gilbert. Lalakad. School yan. Pinipicturean niya. Pinipicturean ako ng bata. Oh. Ayan, nakita dito. Dito, may majority naman, madisiplina dito. Pag yung aso mo, tumae. Dito mo itatapon yung tayo ng yung alaga mo. Kaya dapat may dala kang plastic bag, black bag para pag pupulutin mo tapos diyan mo itatapon. Diba? Alam mo na. Bango ng may mga bulaklak dito, ang pagita. What? Ito meron ditong nursery school, tapos parang siya, veterinary group, Penrose. Pwede ka mag-alaga ka mga aso dito, yung pwede mong ewan ko lang kung pwedeng iwan dito yung mga aso, alaga mo, mag-aalis ka. Yan. Why did the chicken cross the road? Why did the chicken cross the road?
Can you stop? Can you stop?
Stop daw, stop. Nakapagod ka na? No, no. A long walk? Oh, yeah. Ayaw mo na, pagod. Pagod maglakad. Kailangan kumita ng pera. Mag-vlog ka.
No.
Ano tayo? What is it? Waffle.
How do we not know the waffle?
Oh, waffle? Waffle pala, waffle.
Oh, this box is much better. They can definitely see me. See? Is that a dinosaur?
What? Yes, this is, because this is for kids.
What?
School for kids. Baby. Baby. Ang ganda dito. Sa may business park area, ito more on na mga establishment dito, yung mga company, warehouses dito sa area na to. Yan si Bornok, oh. Nagawa mo dyan, Bornok. Let's go na! Takbo! Why did the chicken cross the road? We're gonna cross the road.
Please stop. Because it's too
What?
D. Vitamin D.
Yeah, it's vitamin D. Nagre-reklamo na. Maganda nga yun kasi vitamin D yan.
There's like nobody here, Papa.
We're going home na. And we took a lot of photos and videos.
And photos.
And photos, yeah. Jared is now a photographer, look. Oh. Parang totoo eh, no? Tuloy pa rin ang pagpipicture si Jarel. Oh. Why did the chicken cross the road?
Oh, this is such a good photo. Look.
Oh, nice.
This is the longest walk we ever had. And look at my toe.
It's getting red.
Look.
Oh, poor Jarel.
Now I'm picturing you.
Okay.
Wanted me to picture that.
Pagod din. Pagod.
Whoa!
What's that?
The whole field. It looks like it's a mountain. Doesn't it? Wait, we do.
What do you think Mama is doing right now?
Cooking.
No, I think she's sleeping.
But how did she see the phone?
Well, she just woke up for a minute, like maybe just to pee, go to the toilet, and then back to sleep. Ito tayo, dito minsan. Gana, with Mama.
Today?
No, sure.
Wait, go there, I want to picture you.
I'll go.
No, you go there. Wait, there? What?
Can I jump?
No. Make it look like you're, like, the first time came here, like. No, touch the sun. Wait, no. No. break's over.
Let's go. Pagod na? Pagod ka na na? Ha? Pagod. Malapit na kami. Ay, nakakapagod din. Diyan, napagod ka? Dito na kami malapit na. Siguro mga 10 minutes away na lang. Pauwi na kami.
10 minutes?
Yeah.
What time's to go?
Music ka muna naman. Tagal na naman. Lapit na yun na. Kaya dyan na tayo. NK na to. Nasa NK na tayo.
10 minutes is 5 hours.
No, it's not.
5 minutes is 1 hour.
5 minutes in 1 hour.
Yeah.
Bili muna kami ng ng gulay, sitaw. Kasi magluluto si Mommy Grace. Saglit lang. Uwi na yung isa, oh. Uwi na. Okay na? Uwi na tayo? Naghahanap ka pa yan. Okay, we're home na and it was tiring but fun and napaglalakad. And sana nagustuhan nyo, paki-click ang like button, and kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please subscribe to our new YouTube channel. Okay. See you again. Bye-bye.
Bye.